SST. Ah. What's going on, guys? I'm Watch Chair Go, and today I'm here with Zack Subaru. I haven't even been in it yet, so we're gonna take it out for like the first ride and check it out, get some donuts because it's breakfast time, and he bought LED headlights. So let's put some LED headlights in this thing, and his remote quit working just now. So we might fix the remote too, we'll see. For now, off to the donuts. Hey dude, your sunglasses, I mean normal glasses just quit life. You're lucky I saved them.
Like when I had to blow up out with my little kid. We do that when I can.
It's wastegate flutter.
I would let off a bit and go.
Okay, Birdman.
Need the s'mores donut?
Uh-oh.
Oh, what's the one under that though?
That's the chocolate frosted with sprinkles.
It's more of a light cake, not the
gosh,
like the thick.
I don't know why I take him anywhere. Take that. Take it. Yeah, we got donuts, chocolate milk for the gains. Where we going, dog?
Shark bite.
Seems like a good spot.
Yeah, they're all definitely going to a coffee shop.
They're all what?
Going to a coffee shop.
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark.
Quick urban off-roading detour right here. Oh, it looks like some of this may have dried up. Oh, that's a bit of a mud hole.
Yeah, why aren't you going through it?
What? I don't want to go through it. We'll go through this mud hole.
Seeing no mud.
Yeah, it is. Did you get soaked? I told you it was a mud hole. Oh, shoot. Do I? Yep. Why?
Because it's too short.
I did this on the Grom one day. Oh crap. There was so much mud flying. Bombing through the mud hole. Okay, we're gonna add some speed and hit this mud hole for real.
Yes! What bears?
I was like, there's a post!
That was good.
Oh crap. We gotta go straight to the car wash now. I bet this thing is covered. Look at that hood. So we went bombing through some mud with the Range, and it's definitely dirty now. Look at that. What, sockets? Oh, panel tools? I don't actually know. Probably in screwdrivers. I would go back up to screwdrivers or check here. Check the sides over there then. They're in there. That's them. Oh, you mean the screwdriver based ones? This seems like a pretty productive day. Donut mission accomplished, mudding mission accomplished. We washed the Range Rover after we went mudding. And now, here we are with Zack Subaru. We're gonna throw some LED headlights in it. First things first, he's pulling out the air intake front scoop here. It's not, I mean, it's not like a ram air hood or a scoop or anything like that. It's just a scoop that directs air into the air box here. I think you may be able to do this without removing the air box in its entirety.
This may be the easiest light replacement ever.
All right, there's our original halogen bulb.
Excellent.
Of course, you do have on this air scoop kind of thing here, you have these two pull fasteners that pop up. And if you use a trim tool, it'll make that very easy to remove. Here's the new LED headlight kit. We picked this up on Amazon. It's H11s for this 2008 Subaru Hatchback.
$15.
15 bucks. I'll put the link in the description below. Ooh. Oh, so pretty. Oh yeah, got little fans in them and everything. I probably need to put these in the Ducati. The 1198 needs some headlight love over there.
Yep.
Yep. All right, let's see what happens. Oh, are you gonna try to test it first? Basically, you just connect the bulb to the H11 connector, insert it into the hole the halogen bulb was in, and twist it about 30 degrees or something like that.
Oh, sideways. There, it's in.
Awesome. So the LEDs have quite a bit thicker rubber gasket to help retain them since they don't have as nice of a mounting mechanism.
Oh, no.
All right, the dust cover goes right back on. Give it a small turn to lock it in. I think the bulb placement goes just like this. You'll want to insert it. Wasn't it this way? Which way was the tab? This way?
Yep.
Okay.
This.
Okay. So the orientation of the bulb, the tab needs to go about this way, and then you'll insert it and give it a little turn to lock it into the socket. These tabs are different sizes, so the orientation is very important. First test with the LEDs. Came right on. Perfect. And here's the old ugly halogen. You can see the yellow in there, and that nice 6000K bluish hue light. To finish the driver's side up, you'll just put your air scoop back in place, move this light out of the way, throw this back in here. I'll let Zach do the honors. A little bit of wiggle.
Wiggle, 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 wah.
I think it goes down.
It does, but
Oh, I see.
it's like a perfect cut slot.
Getting there. You're getting there. Hey. All right. Here are our push fasteners. And you just push those back in.
We might be able to get away with this one because this,
Slide just kind of moves out of the way with its little flexi neck.
it's like a bendy straw.
I love the bendy straw for the washer fluid. All right, so we'll move the washer fluid fill out of the way just a little bit and put it back here under this AC line, and pop the dust cover off the back of this light. You can see the bulb's orientation, the connector is down.
Twist to your left or towards you.
Yeah. Twist towards you. I don't know how to describe that.
I don't either.
The movement to remove the bulb is this. I almost think the connector orientation on the passenger side was also straight down, because straight down is pretty normal. Okay, we're putting the LED in the housing now.
So the connector is actually going to go up on these LEDs.
Yeah, the wire comes straight out of the top. Plug it back into the H11 connector, shove it in the housing, and let's put the cover on. Beautiful. You lost the cover forever?
There we go. Done.
Perfect. Got the cover
Oh,
on.
let's give her a tester.
Firing it up. Okay, we're gonna fire up the lights, double check before we button everything up. Perfect. LED swapped, 2008 Subaru Hatchback. All you have to do to finish this up is put the bendy straw washer fill back in place, and wherever that connector went, which is right here. There's your H11s. This is probably one of the easiest headlight bulb swaps we've ever had to do. Just took, 3 minutes or something like that. We'll throw the link to these bad boys in the description below. And hopefully that helps you install some bulbs in your Subaru.
That was actually stupid easy. We've changed bulbs on like every car that I've ever owned.
Yeah.
And this was the quickest and easiest. So.
That said, please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Donuts? You want to do all-wheel drive donuts? I think we'll just chuck it into a slide and full power.
Maybe we'll do that when we have a nice grass field.
Grass field.